be patient. The best time is after you have helped them get a win. So this comes back to the success path. At the end of the day, it's about helping them move along that success path to experience some progress in whatever area, whether it's the nutrition, whether it's the mind stuff, whether it's the body stuff. But be patient in that process, because here's the other side of that. When you help people get a win, they become more invested in you. They want to stay with you. They want to invest more with you. They want to go deeper and further with you. But the challenge is when somebody comes in, and then you're like, oh, and I got this, oh, and I got that, and oh, I got this, and oh, I got that, and then, oh, I got some more over here too. And it's just like, whoa, girl, chill out. So my advice is just help them get a win first. Focus on the win. Focus on helping them get a win. Then at that point, so it might be at a certain point in your success path that you introduce that. That's the right time when they have made a certain amount of progress first. Because outside of that, the other danger point is you can distract people. So they get going in 1,000,001 different directions, and they can't keep it simple because they are being pulled in a whole bunch of different directions and don't know what to do first. So the greatest gift you can give your people is the gift of clarity, of knowing what their next steps are so they can move forward and make progress. So I would just say be patient in that.